In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove green screen in CapCut PC. If you need to isolate an overlay graphic, erase a solid green background, and blend that asset cleanly into your video project. This is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on a PC. The process is quick, but getting each click in the right place makes a big difference, so I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, make sure your green screen asset is placed on an upper layer directly above your main footage in the timeline. This is important because the green screen clip needs to sit on top of the video you want it to appear over. Once it's in the right position, look at your timeline lanes and click directly on the green screen video clip. When it's selected properly, you should see a white border around that clip. That border confirms you're editing the correct layer. Next, move to the top right Properties panel. In that workspace, click on the Main Video tab and then choose the Cutout submenu just below it. This is where CapCut keeps the tools for removing solid backgrounds. In the Cutout section, find the option labeled Chroma key and click the empty checkbox beside it to turn it on. As soon as you activate it, CapCut gives you access to the controls you need for background removal. Now it's time to tell CapCut exactly which color should disappear. Click on the small color picker eyedropper icon, then move your cursor to the preview window in the center of the screen and click directly on the solid green area of your clip. Try to sample a clean part of the background for the most accurate result. This helps CapCut identify the specific shade of green you want removed. After that, return to the Properties panel on the right and locate the Strength slider. Drag the slider to the right until it reaches around 20. As you do this, keep an eye on the preview monitor. You should see the green background vanish and turn transparent, leaving only the subject or overlay graphic visible over your main footage. If the result looks clean, you're done. And that's it. You've completed the video properties routing, opened the Cutout tab, activated Chroma key, sampled the background color, and adjusted the strength for a clean removal. In just a few quick moves, your green screen element is ready to blend naturally into your project. You're all set. Done.